In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of DuckDuckGo. Start by opening your browser, whichever one you use most. This process works in Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari, and the idea is the same across all of them. Once your browser is open, head into Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking the menu icon, 3 dots or lines, near the top right, then choosing Settings or Preferences. If you're on a Mac with Safari, go to the menu bar, click Safari, then Preferences or Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section that manages search. In Chrome and Edge, it's typically called Search Engine. In Firefox, it's under Search. In Safari, it's on the Search tab. Open that area so you can control what happens when you type in the address bar. Change your default search engine to something else you prefer, like Google or Bing. Pick it from the dropdown, and it will become the engine your browser uses whenever you search from the address bar or new tab. Next, remove DuckDuckGo from your saved or managed search engines. In Chrome and Edge, choose Manage Search Engines or Manage Search Engines and Site Search, find DuckDuckGo in the list, and delete or deactivate it. In Firefox and Safari, uncheck or remove it from the list of available search options. This helps prevent the browser from switching back automatically. Now clear your browser cache and cookies to flush out any stored preferences that might point back to DuckDuckGo. In the Privacy or History section, choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and cookies. Consider the time range. All time for a thorough reset. Be aware this may sign you out of sites, so that's normal and temporary. If you've installed the DuckDuckGo browser as a standalone app, uninstall it. On Windows, use Apps in Settings to remove it. On macOS, drag the app to the trash from Applications. This ensures it won't open by default or prompt you to switch back. Give your browser, or your whole computer, a quick restart to make sure all changes take effect cleanly. After that, check your browser extensions or add-ons. Open the Extensions or Add-ons Manager and remove or disable any DuckDuckGo extensions. Extensions can override your search settings, so it's worth double-checking here. Finally, confirm everything worked. Open a new tab, type a simple query into the address bar, and press Enter. You should see results from the search engine you chose. If DuckDuckGo still appears, revisit the search settings and extension list to make sure nothing re-enabled it. With these steps, your browser should now consistently use your preferred search engine.